Have you ever wondered how space exploration influences our daily lives? From life-saving medical innovations to making navigation effortless, the impact of space technology is all around us. It's not just about exploring distant planets, it's about improving life right here on Earth, in the most surprising ways. Join us as we uncover 7 incredible ways space technology has become an integral part of our everyday lives, shaping our world in unimaginable ways. Advanced navigation systems. Space technology has completely transformed the way we find our way around the world, and you probably use it more often than you realize. Think about GPS, the global positioning system, which started as a tool for the military but now guides us in almost everything we do. Whether you're road tripping to a new city or simply finding the fastest route to work, GPS is your ultimate co-pilot. But it doesn't stop there. Delivery services, ride-sharing apps, and even those cute little drones dropping off packages wouldn't work without this spaceborne technology. What's amazing is how much it's improved over the years. GPS isn't just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about precision and efficiency in ways that change industries. Farmers, for example, use GPS for precision agriculture, which sounds fancy but just means they can plant seeds or apply fertilizers exactly where they're needed. This saves time, cuts costs, and even helps the environment. In cities, GPS helps urban planners design smarter traffic systems to reduce congestion. Every time you hear about smart cities, know that space tech is silently working in the background to make them happen. Then there's the life-saving side of navigation. During natural disasters, GPS becomes a hero. Emergency teams use it to pinpoint locations, coordinate relief efforts, and find people who might be stranded. Imagine the chaos of organizing help without knowing exactly where to send it. This technology gives rescuers a major advantage and makes recovery faster and more effective. It's not just for emergencies though. GPS keeps planes safely in the sky and ships on course in the vastness of the ocean, which, let's face it, is pretty incredible. The best part? Navigation systems are only getting better. Think about the potential of self-driving cars and automated delivery drones. They rely on increasingly accurate satellite systems to avoid obstacles and navigate crowded spaces. So next time your GPS smoothly reroutes you around traffic or gets you to a new coffee shop, remember, it's not just a handy gadget, it's a piece of space technology working tirelessly to keep our world moving. Communication advancements. Communication has come a long way, and guess what? Space technology is the real MVP behind it all. Imagine living without instant messaging, video calls, or even the internet itself. Feels impossible, right? Satellites make all this magic happen. Every time you send a text, stream your favorite show, or hop on a Zoom call, you're tapping into a network of satellites orbiting high above Earth. These aren't just floating gadgets. They're the backbone of our hyper-connected lives. It's wild to think about how seamless communication has become thanks to this tech. From connecting rural areas to the global internet, to ensuring remote schools have access to online education, satellites are bridging gaps like never before. Even businesses run smoother because of space-based communication. Think about how companies track shipments in real time or manage entire fleets of vehicles across continents. That level of coordination, it's all because of satellites making sure everyone stays in sync. Then there's the life-saving side of communication. During disasters, when traditional networks fail, satellites step up big time. They provide emergency responders with reliable channels to coordinate rescue efforts. Whether it's a hurricane, wildfire, or earthquake, these connections make all the difference in getting help where it's needed most. Even in your everyday life, when you use satellite phones or navigation apps in areas with no cell coverage, that's space technology, ensuring you're never truly out of reach. And it doesn't stop here. The future is shaping up to be even more connected, with projects like satellite constellations aiming to deliver high-speed internet to every corner of the planet. Think about the possibilities: remote villages streaming classes, adventurers posting updates from the Arctic, or even astronauts sharing live feeds from space. Every time you connect with someone, no matter the distance, it's a testament to how far communication has come. And it's all thanks to the power of space technology working quietly in the background. Revolutionary medical innovations. When you think about space technology, medical breakthroughs might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But they're totally connected. The incredible tools and methods developed for space exploration have revolutionized healthcare right here on Earth. From imaging technologies to treatments for chronic conditions, space-inspired innovations are saving lives every single day. And trust me, the story behind it is mind-blowing. Take MRI and CT scans, for example. These life-saving imaging techniques owe a lot to advancements made in space exploration. NASA needed ways to capture detailed images of distant planets and stars, and those same technologies found their way into medical diagnostics. Now, doctors can look inside the human body with incredible precision, catching diseases early and improving treatment outcomes. It's like having a space-age gadget in every hospital. Let's not forget wearable health monitors. Astronauts' vitals are constantly tracked during missions to ensure they're healthy while floating in zero gravity. That same concept has given us fitness trackers, smartwatches, and even advanced monitoring devices for people with conditions like diabetes or heart disease. These devices don't just help you count steps or check your heart rate, they're enabling doctors to keep tabs on patients remotely, making healthcare more accessible and personalized. And the coolest part? Space tech is driving breakthroughs in treatments. Did you know that studying how cells grow in microgravity has helped researchers develop better cancer treatments and even new ways to grow human tissue? This opens the door for organ transplants and advanced drug testing without relying on live subjects. Space isn't just about exploring the cosmos, it's shaping the future of medicine right here at home. Weather forecasting and climate monitoring. Have you ever stopped to think about how accurate weather forecasts have become, or how we track climate change so closely? It's all thanks to space technology. Satellites orbiting high above Earth are like our eyes in the sky, giving us an incredible view of the planet's weather systems and environmental changes. These advancements are not just cool, they're life-saving and game-changing. Let's talk about weather forecasting first. Every time you check your weather app to decide if you need an umbrella, there's a whole fleet of satellites working behind the scenes. These satellites monitor atmospheric patterns, track storm movements, and collect data in real time. Thanks to this, meteorologists can now predict hurricanes days in advance, giving people precious time to prepare and evacuate if needed. Imagine how chaotic things would be without these warnings. Space tech literally saves lives. But weather forecasting is just the tip of the iceberg. Climate monitoring is where things get next level. Satellites like the ones used by NASA and ESA keep a constant watch on Earth's vital signs. They measure things like carbon dioxide levels, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and even deforestation rates. This data is crucial for understanding the big picture of climate change and helps governments, scientists, and organizations make informed decisions to protect the planet. Without these tools, we'd be flying blind in the fight against climate change. And the coolest thing? The tech keeps getting better. New generation satellites are being launched with advanced sensors that can detect tiny changes in temperature, ocean currents, and even soil moisture. This means we're not just predicting storms or tracking ice caps, we're finding smarter ways to grow food, conserve water, and manage resources. Space technology is like having a guardian angel for our planet, helping us understand and protect it better than ever before. Next time you check the weather or hear about climate action, remember, it all starts with a satellite up there, working 24/7 for all of us. Enhancing transportation safety. Have you ever wondered how we manage to travel so safely across the globe? From planes soaring through the skies to cars cruising on highways, transportation safety has reached incredible heights, and a lot of that is thanks to space technology. It might not be obvious at first, but satellites and space innovations are the unsung heroes keeping us safe as we move from one place to another. Let's start with aviation. When you hop on a plane, you probably don't think about the satellites guiding it through the air. These satellites enable GPS systems and air traffic control to monitor aircraft with pinpoint accuracy. They ensure pilots can avoid bad weather, navigate safely over vast oceans, and even land in challenging conditions. It's like having a traffic cop in the sky who's always watching out for you. Without this tech, air travel wouldn't be as smooth, efficient, or safe as it is today. Now let's bring it down to the roads. GPS technology, powered by space satellites, is a game changer for drivers. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar streets or stuck in rush hour traffic, real-time data helps you find the fastest and safest route. But it doesn't stop there. Space tech is also behind collision avoidance systems in cars, keeping you aware of potential dangers before they happen. Plus, smart cities are using satellite data to improve traffic flow, making roads safer for everyone. Space isn't just about distant galaxies, it's keeping your daily commute stress-free and secure. And the future? It's even more exciting. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on satellite technology to function. They need precise positioning, real-time traffic updates, and advanced weather monitoring to operate safely. Meanwhile, drones delivering packages or inspecting bridges are also guided by satellite networks. Every innovation in transportation safety has space tech working quietly in the background, ensuring your journey, whether by plane, car, or even robotaxi, is as safe and efficient as possible. It's amazing to think how space technology touches our lives in ways we barely notice, but wouldn't want to live without. Precision agriculture and food security. Have you ever stopped to think about how space technology is helping to put food on your table? It's not just about rockets and astronauts. Space innovations are revolutionizing the way we grow food and ensure there's enough to feed the world. Precision agriculture, powered by satellite data, is transforming farming into a high-tech, efficient, and sustainable process like never before. Imagine this. Satellites orbiting high above the Earth are keeping an eye on crops, analyzing soil conditions, and even predicting the perfect time to plant and harvest. This isn't just guesswork. These satellites provide farmers with detailed maps showing soil moisture, nutrient levels, and crop health. With this information, farmers can make pinpoint decisions like where to water, fertilize, or treat pests, saving resources and boosting yields. It's farming, but smarter and more efficient. What's even more fascinating is how space technology is helping farmers tackle challenges like droughts, floods, and other extreme weather conditions. With advanced weather tracking and early warnings, farmers can adapt their strategies, whether it's shifting planting schedules or protecting crops from storms. This means less wasted effort and more resilience against the unpredictable forces of nature. And it's not just large-scale farms benefiting. Smallholder farmers in developing countries are using these tools to grow more food with fewer resources, lifting communities out of poverty. But the impact doesn't stop at the fields. Precision agriculture is also about protecting the environment. By targeting resources where they're needed most, farmers are reducing waste, preventing overuse of chemicals, and protecting ecosystems from harm. Plus, with satellite data helping us monitor food supply chains, we can tackle food security challenges head-on, ensuring the right resources go to the right places. When you think about it, space technology is doing more than exploring the stars. It's making sure our planet has enough to sustain us for generations to come. Inspiring innovations in everyday tech. Ever stop to think about how much cutting-edge tech is packed into your everyday life? From the sleek smartphone in your pocket to the voice assistant that answers your questions, so much of it owes its existence to innovations born out of space exploration. It's fascinating how the drive to explore the cosmos ends up creating tools that make our lives easier, smarter, and even more fun down here on Earth. Let's dive into how space tech is shaping the gadgets and systems you use every single day. What's amazing is how satellite communication has transformed the way we connect. Think about the GPS on your phone. It's not just helping you find the quickest route, but is part of a massive network of space tech innovations. Those same satellites are also the reason we can binge-watch our favorite shows with high-speed internet almost anywhere. Without the advancements driven by space missions, your streaming marathons or virtual meetings wouldn't be half as smooth as they are now. Then there's the material science that's been revolutionized by space exploration. Memory foam mattresses? Yep, you can thank NASA for those. They were originally developed for astronauts needing comfort during space flights, and now they're giving us better sleep here on Earth. Even scratch-resistant lenses on your sunglasses started as a technology to protect astronaut visors. It's kind of mind-blowing to realize how much space innovation has trickled down into the products we use every single day without even noticing. Finally, think about how space exploration inspires even the smallest conveniences. Cordless vacuum cleaners were an idea sparked by the need for lightweight, battery-powered tools in space. And don't forget water purification systems. They've become crucial in making safe drinking water accessible worldwide, all thanks to space mission tech. So, next time you enjoy these modern perks, remember that a little bit of outer space ingenuity helped make it happen. Space technology has this incredible way of merging the extraordinary with the practical, and it's woven into so many parts of your daily life. These everyday innovations show that the race to explore the stars is about so much more than just going farther. It's about making life better right here on Earth. From navigation to medical breakthroughs, space technology has become an inseparable part of our lives, making the impossible possible. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more incredible insights into the wonders of science and technology. Keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.